Good day, great students. Today we're going to be working on Word 2019 in Practice, Chapter 6, Guided Project 6-1. We're going to start off by clicking on your Start file. It's going to start downloading. We also have resources, so click on that as well. It's going to start downloading. You're going to click on the file that says .zip. When it opens up, you're wanting to click on where it says Compressed Folder Tools Extract. Over to the right, select Extract All. We're going to make sure that we are putting it in the correct folder. So when you click and it's not in the destination folder that you want it to be in, you can always change that. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on Browse. You're going to over to the left side of the screen, you're going to click on Downloads. And you're going to click Select Folder. Make sure it's the right one and click Extract. I already did this, so I'm going to replace the file in my destination folder. And now you see you have your file, 6-1 resources. Go ahead and close that window, close the window behind it. Should bring you back up to here. Let's open up our actual start file and get started. First thing we're going to do is click on Enable Editing so we can start editing the document. Step 3 says that we're going to change the color set of the document. So it says click the colors button is on the Design tab. Design tab, Document Formatting Group. So we're going to click on Design tab. And we're going to go to Document Formatting Group. You see the Colors button. Scroll down until you see red. Select red. Step 4 says we're going to modify existing styles. So we're going to go to the Home tab, and we're going to right-click Title in the Styles Gallery. So let's click on the Home tab. Go to the Styles group, and you find Title. Right-click on Title, and you're going to select Modify. When the Modify Style type comes up, you're going to click on the Center button. And then you're going to click on Format down to the bottom left, and you're going to select Font. Click on Font. It's going to open up. You're going to change the font style to bold and the size to 20. Go ahead and click OK. Close your window. Click OK again to close the Modify Style dialog box. Now we're going to right-click on Heading 1 Style in the Style Gallery. Click on Modify. Click the underline, click on Format at the bottom left, and you want to go to Font. When the font pops up, you want to check Small Caps in the Effects section. Click OK. Click on Format again, and this time you want to select Paragraph. We're going to apply the following changes. The before paragraph spacing, we're going to change to 12 point. And the after paragraph spacing, we're going to change it to 3. The line spacing, we're going to change it to single. Once you get done with that, click OK. And then click OK to close the Modify Style dialog box behind it. So step 5 says select all instances of a style and apply a different style. So we're going to go to the Styles Launcher button. This is Styles. This is the Launcher button here. And we're going to right-click on Heading 2. So we're going to scroll down, and we're going to find Heading 2. Right-click. Where it says Select All, click on Select All. It's going to highlight Staying Active and a couple other things in the document. The next thing we're going to do is click on Heading 1. When we click on Heading 1, it's going to update all of the Heading 2s to look like the Heading 1 we just changed. So Staying Active now is underlined like it was when the Heading 1 change that we just did a second ago. Step 6 says we're going to create a new style based on the selected text. So we're going to select all the text after Keep Exercise Fun and Interesting. So scroll all the way down and pick one or more activities all the way down to when you achieve them. So highlight everything below Keep Exercise Fun and Interesting. You're going to apply the check mark bullet to the selected text. So we're going to go to the paragraph section. See with bullets, click the drop down arrow. You have a choice. If you already have the arrow, the check mark, click it. If not, click on Define New Bullet right below there. Click on Symbol. You want to change the font from Symbol to Wingdings. Scroll down until you find Wingdings. And you want to change the character code from 183 to 252. Once you change it to 252, you see the check mark. Click OK. Click OK again. And now your text is formatted with the check mark bullet. Next thing we're going to do, excuse me, is click the More button in the Styles group. Click the More button, select Create a Style, and then for the style name, we're going to change it to Bullet List. The style type is going to be paragraph. The style based on is going to be list paragraph. So select the arrow to the right, scroll down to the bottom, and you will see list paragraph. Oops, looked like I had my uppercase and lowercase reversed. Go ahead and change this right quick. Bullet list the correct way. Now we're going to go down to the bottom and click on the Format button and select Paragraph. We're going to change the left indent to 0. And we're going to deselect Don't Add Space Between Paragraphs of the Same Style. So make sure you uncheck that box. Go ahead and click OK to close the paragraph dialog box. Click OK to close the dialog box and the Create a New Style box. Number 7 says Update styles to match a selection and apply a style. So select the paragraph after the title of the document. We're going to scroll all the way up to the title of the document. We're going to select from almost any activity all the way down to regularly keeping it up. So we're going to change the font size to 10. So make sure in the Home tab, click the little drop down arrow, select 10. We're going to right click the normal style, and then we're going to choose Update Normal to Match Selection. All of the document information changed to size 10 font. Okay. Select the title and change the before paragraph spacing to 48. So select the title, click on the paragraph launcher, and where it says before spacing, you want to change that to 48. We're going to go ahead and click OK. We're going to right click the title style, and we're going to select Update Title to Match Selection. Doesn't like anything changed for real. If you highlight and change it to something else, like any other thing, and then you go back and click on title, you'll see that it actually did save our changes. So we're going to move on to step 8. It says insert a picture and change text wrapping and position. So place the insertion point at the beginning of the document, which is right in front of tips for staying active. We're going to insert the CMP logo 06 picture. So we're going to click on the insert button. Going to select pictures. We're going to go down to our downloads. And we're looking for WD 2019 Guided Project 6-1 resources. So select it. And double click on the picture, CMP logo 06. Click the Wrap Text button and select in front of text. You have that option there, or you can actually go up to the Wrap Text button in the Arrange group, and you want to select in front of text. Click the Position button and select More Layout Options. Change the horizontal absolute position to 0.3 to the right of page. And you want to change the vertical absolute position to 0.3 below the page. Once you have those settings in, make sure it's 0.3 to the right of the page, 0.3 below the page, and go ahead and click OK. We're going to save the CMP logo to the Quick Parts Gallery. So click the CMP logo picture to select it. Make sure you still have it selected. And you're going to click the Quick Parts button. It is on the Insert tab in the Text group. So Insert tab, Text group. See the Quick Parts button? Go ahead and select it. And you want to select Save Selection to Quick Part Gallery. So we're going to make the following changes. The name is going to be CMP logo. The gallery is Quick Parts. The category is General. We're going to add the description, insert CMP logo. Make sure it's saved in building blocks and options or insert content only. Go ahead and click OK. Close the dialog box and create a new building block. Good job. Number 10 says insert a word field in the footer. So we're going to scroll all the way down to the bottom of the document. We're going to click where the footer would go. So double click there and the footer should open. Going to press tab 2 times on the keyboard so that way we all the way over to the right side of the screen. We're going to type the words last modified and a colon. So last modified with a colon and then a space. We're going to click the quick parts button and we're going to select field. Design tab, quick parts, scroll down, field. I'm going to scroll down until we see save date. And we're looking to save date. Click on save date. We're looking for the one that's 10/8/19. 10/8/19. Select that. Click OK. Now we're going to select all the text in the footer and we're going to apply the italics style. So select all the text. You can hit Control A or you can highlight and select everything. It's up to you. Go to the Home tab once you have everything selected. Sorry. Click on the Home tab and select the I in the font group for italics. Now everything in the footer is italics. So now we're going to close the footer. We're going to save and close the document. So click File, Save As. Make sure that you're saving on your PC. Go to the Downloads folder, and you want to make sure you're saving it. So click Save. Go ahead and close your file. We're not going to save the building block, so I say don't save. Click on Upload My File. Select the current file that you're working on. Click Open, and it will automatically grade. If you have any questions, you know my office number is, you know my cell phone number, give me a call. Look forward to hearing from you guys. Good job. Got a 100.